to the ingredients. Pound of ground lamb, half a head of green cabbage, 1 yellow onion, 1 lemon, Muenster cheese, pound of honey gold bite-sized potatoes, and then slice them into coins. 8 minutes. Parboil. Set them to the side. Let some of that moisture evaporate. Add your potatoes to the hot oil. You're going to fry these until they are golden and crispy. Right before you move them, half a teaspoon each of the seasonings listed here. Sprinkle them on. Don't clean it out. Add ground lamb, half of the onion, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. All of these seasonings listed here. Cook and crumble until your lamb is no longer pink. A tablespoon of lemon juice. This helps balance out the flavor of the lamb. Give it a mix. Put it to the side. Same pan, don't clean it out. The remainder of the onion. A tablespoon of garlic. The cabbage. And all these seasonings listed here. Give this a mix and cook it until the cabbage is just softened. You're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then you cook it until the cabbage is soft and the edges are slightly browned. Don't confuse that with burnt. Cook your cabbage. Now add your lamb back to your cabbage. Place your potato coins on top of your cabbage and shred your Muenster cheese and then add it to the top. Cover with the lid just till the cheese melts. When your cheese is good and melted, take your lemon and add the zest to the top. Makes it better. And then freshly cracked black pepper. Y'all better go make it. It's so good.